Hello guys, welcome to Eagle Eye FX. We are back again today and we are so glad to be making this video to help out some traders out there. Thank you guys for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. We are so grateful for your support, and we want also to ask you today to show some love by liking this video and by subscribing to this channel. All right, guys, remember we have a free Telegram group for those who are interested to get a profitable Forex signals. You can always check our link. It's on the description below. If you want to join VIP, then the link is also on the description below. So as usual, we're going through three pairs today, and today we want to go through gold, Xauusd, and then you want to go through Nasdaq US30, and also go through Nasdaq US100, and also we go through US30. So let's start with gold, and I'm start from the monthly time frame. Okay, so from the monthly time frame, you see something here. So this is the highest on gold, okay, from the monthly time frame, and then this is the lowest that we've seen on gold from the monthly time frame. Okay, from the recent low. Definitely the lowest is here. The lowest so far we can see somewhere around there. All right, and already I can see something here. So from the monthly time frame, I see this, and this, okay, which look like a cup, right? And you know that when you see a cup and a handle, then that market is going to do this and then break out and continue buying. So that is the overall general move from what I can see on gold from from the monthly time frame. Sorry, I see this, then also I see this here, which is like a handle. Okay, so perhaps this is going to consolidate, find more strength before it can shoot up. Right, but let's continue. Let's go to lower time frame so that we can see other opportunities. All right, so that's a monthly time frame, and then this has been the lowest so far. Okay, we are interested in this. So we see as a bearish move, so perhaps you're gonna get a bullish move. Okay, let's go to a weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame, you can draw here. I see something here. I see this here. Okay, change the color to yellow. All right, and yeah, maybe let's see if we can adjust this a bit and cater for the area with the most touches here. I think let's stick to that. Okay, we see that this market pushed. You can adjust this. Wow, so it's a rejection, break, support up. You see the market got here, was rejected, tried to push here, rejected, came to the trend and got rejected. Then now it's trying to push through. Perhaps this will come up to here, and then before it comes down, maybe gold is trying to do this before it breaks out. Okay, let's move on. Daily time frame. From the daily time frame, okay, from the daily time frame, I can still draw another trend line here, like that. Okay, so let me make this color to be a bit maybe that. And the reason for that, the reason why I've drawn that here is because you see that This market pushed here, got rejected, came down, came again here, got rejected here. And if I zoom, you can see pin bar here, got rejected, came all the way here, then it has come to this line. Then you can see some rejection because you see some bearish candlesticks. Okay, that's the reason why I would like to draw that trend line there, because one thing about gold is it obeys zones and lines, trend lines. Okay, so let me draw this here, this zone here, to draw this as a zone, and simply because you see when it came from up there, when gold came from up here, let's even try and make this a bit bigger, extend it that way, and then if you zoom this, then you see that came here to got rejected, and it was able to break up to that high level there, and it came down here, found support, pushed up, came here, it was able to break, came to this level here. You see this another level here that acted as support, came to that level and formed a double top, okay, before it pushed all the way here, then came to this level again, formed another double top and pushed here. Then when it came here, as you can see, if I zoom this correctly, you see this is a double bottom, sorry, you see a double top. That's why you see this great move to the downward. Then you see that from here again, this level, a very strong support to this, so perhaps might come up to here and maybe break up to that lower level there. We still don't know yet how it's gonna behave. Remember, we don't decide, we just predict. Okay, we just predict based on price action and based on what we can see and based on the behavior of the market. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm seeing there. So from a daily time frame, I can see that this gold is going to come all the way up to here, right? Maybe perhaps before pushes up again, or it might come and break all the way up to this particular level here. Okay, we are yet to know and to see movement. So this one, and draw this as a zone. Okay, and draw that as a zone, and you can see that it has really been respected or obeyed. So let me delete. Oh no, no problem. Let's draw that again quickly. Let me remove those. Okay, and then I'll draw my support like that. So you can see that. You can see that there was rejection here, break, support. Then moving forward, you see support here, double bottom, then came all the way here. Then now it's trying to push the downward. So I see some selling opportunities here up to this level here. Then maybe it might go up or it might come down. We are yet to see how it's going to behave, but already there's some selling opportunities. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I see something here. I want to draw this, and it's because of here. So you can see here. I want to draw this level here. Maybe let me change the color to this. Now the reason why I'm interested in this level here is because you see that this level acted as a resistance here and here and here here also before the market gained enough momentum to break, come and do some retest, and then acted now as a support. Okay, then you see some level of support, a lot of support in fake out, a lot of support before the market came with a lot of, because of this double top here, the market came with a lot of force and strength to push all the way to this lower level over here. And then came again, broke this and found support, pushed up, then you see some level of resistance, then you see some support, then you can see that now we are at that particular level. So the probability is, if gold is not able to break this level, then there's some buying opportunities up to here. Then if it's able to break this level, then I'm looking for selling opportunities up to this particular level here. So with gold, I like going further down to 1 hour time frame or to 30 minutes time frame even, because a little movement on gold has a lot of pips with it. Okay, so from the 1 hour time frame, you can see it is forming some sort of like you can easily say a flag. I see movement, perhaps it's trying to consolidate, to find strength to break this level here. And from the past, you can see that if I go back to the 4 hour time frame, you can see that this level really was checked before it was broken. See some lot of rejection before it was broken. So let me go further down to 30 minutes. Okay, we can go back to even 30 minutes or even 15 minutes. And what do I see here? And here I can draw this. Okay, and then I'll clone this, then I can draw that like that. And for gold, I like drawing it from the week because gold really moves. I don't like drawing the thing from the body, because if I take you back, you can see like this was a week. If I zoom this, you see a very long week. If I go to the 4 hour time frame, for example, there's something I want to show you here. Maybe on a daily time frame, trying to remember. There's a point that gold moved with a very long week here. It's here. Okay, yeah, it's here. So you can see this very big week here. All right, let's go back to the 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So you can see that on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see that there's some level of a movement here. Okay, some level of movement here, and this is a very big move, because like from here down here up to here, you see that it's a lot of pips, as you can see. All right, so what I'm thinking is perhaps what gold is doing, and the reason why, even if you go to the 1 hour time frame, the reason why it is formed this, perhaps this to me looks like a bearish flag, right? All right, where the market comes down like that, then try to consolidate before it breaks and continue going down. So this is what I'm seeing. That's if this is what gold is trying to do. All right, so that is what I will do on. Also, I will rather be interested in these small moves and then I'll just enter. Yeah, maybe maybe you can even go further to a 15 minutes time frame, but I like maybe the 30 minutes, but it's fine. So maybe at this lower level here, you could be entering your buys here, put your stop loss just a little below there, then target this point here, and you can see that you can make almost 5 times. So you make your stop loss to be a bit more tighter, because gold moves very fast, and with a lot of pips you can easily blow your account. So you want to cater for these small moves. Okay, so just in case it breaks, you see that you don't lose much. All right, like that. So you can take advantage of this movement here before it breaks out. And from what I'm seeing, I think it's trying to consolidate or trying to do this before it can break this level, this zone here, to continue moving down. Let me know on this comment section below what your thoughts are. But what you must know is that it can still do this and break out and come back to this level here. So that is also another possibility on gold. All right, let me know in the comment section what you think about gold, and yeah, I'll be very happy to read from you. Let's go to US100, okay, or what people call Nasdaq. So from the monthly time frame, you can see that Nasdaq has really been bullish, up. All right, from the weekly time frame is still the same. Okay, and from the daily time frame, you can start maybe from there and start marking some levels. Okay, so we can draw some trend lines. See the line here. You can draw a trend line over there. Then another one down here. Okay. So you can see that Nasdaq or US100 has really been moving on this and on this trend lines here. See that it's really been moving in here, right? So from a daily time frame, perhaps Nasdaq might come down. There are selling opportunities before it continues going up. All right, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see if you can be able to draw some other levels. And from the 4-hour time frame, already I can see this level here. Okay, and also I can see another level here. I can draw it this way, because you see that when it moved from here, came all the way, got rejected, and then it moved up to that particular level there. So let's redraw this. Yeah, I can draw that, and it's simply because I see rejection here, then see rejection here. The market was able to break support, came to test the trend line, then found support here, and then pushed up there. So Nasdaq might easily go to this line before it comes here, or it might easily come down before it goes up. Those are two possibilities. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame and see. So from the 1-hour time frame, I can draw this level here. I see a level there. Let me change this to white, and then clone this, then make this to a trend line, or I can use the lower one as a trend line and up here, control that. Let me change this color. All right, like that. Okay, or we can do this, clone this, then put this here. And the reason for that is simple. I'm going to explain it just now. The reason is simple because you see that there was some rejection back, then found momentum here, some rejection, then found support, went, it came here, and then you can see that now it is trying to move perhaps to this level before it comes down, or it might break this level because still this trend line here that is trying to obey from higher time frame. Okay, so let's go further down, maybe 30 minutes, and see. So I will be interested here, be more interested here at what is happening, right? So I'll be interested maybe when it comes to this level here on this zone, on this trend line. I'll be interested in buys, and as long as it has not been able to break this zone here, then I'll be interested in sells. All right, so yeah, so that's what I will do on US100. Okay, let's go to US30. So go to US30, we start from the monthly time frame. Start from a monthly time frame, and you can see that's almost the same with Nasdaq, almost the same with US 100. So you can see mark this the lowest, and this is how it came. And yeah, I'm sure this time it came down since January 2020 up to March. This is a time maybe during the COVID time. As a reason why then COVID was announced, that's the reason maybe it came down that way. Okay, so from the weekly time frame, you see that the same movement, same. We can draw this here. Let's see if we can do this. Draw a trend line over there. Okay, so draw my trend line there on the weekly time frame, and then yeah, then also can still draw another one here, draw another one over there like that. Okay, anyway, yeah, let's go to the daily time frame. So we are on a daily time frame. Okay, and what you can see here is let me go to currently what's happening on the market, the daily time frame. There's this level here. Okay, there's that level over there, and also we can clone this and draw another level over there. Okay, so we have this trend line there, and then we have this one here. So this is daily time frame, and you can see that on the daily time frame there's still some opportunity for this for sale, maybe perhaps before US30 falls maybe up to this particular level over here. And what you can do is you can still draw another trend line here like this, and that's because you see that there was a support to the up here, then another support here up, then came all the way to push up like that. So US30 might either come down before it goes up, or it might go up then come down to this level, or it might decide to come back to this particular level there. We don't know, but this first level has really been obeyed several times, so it can easily come up to this level, and then maybe perhaps then it can go back that way up there, right? Good. So let's go back. Let's go down to maybe a 4-hour time frame, and then we see what is there. The 4-hour time frame, we see if you can see more clear opportunities, and yeah. So 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, if I zoom this, you see that there's this level here. So we can draw another trend line. Okay, and draw another trend line, but I want to first of all draw this zone here, because I see some sort of rejection. Okay, the reason why I've drawn that is because I see this rejection here, then this one here, and this one here, and this one here. Then the market was able to break and then found support to go all the way to this level here, and found some support, was able to break and come to the trend line. Now it has been able to break that level there, so perhaps it's going to do this and then continue being bullish, right? So that's from there 4-hour time frame. And also what we can do is we can draw another zone here. You can draw another zone over here like that. Okay, like that. Okay, let's look at a 1-hour time frame and see what is there. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can still draw this. I can draw this like this. I can do something like that, and simply because I see this here and this here support, there's this break, then I see this resistance, then I see a break, I see support, then I see it was trying to break this, but the buyers are really pushing this market up. So let me draw another zone over here like that. Okay, so from the 1-hour time frame, I can see this. Okay, so when this one closes, you can call it a double bottom. You can call it a double bottom if you want, but already this push here perhaps going to form a pin bar or something. It shows you that the buyers are really pushing this market to the upside. So I'll simply just enter my my buy, put my stop loss just below there, then I'll target if you target this time, that you can target this level here. That's 1.8 times. Okay, then perhaps once it's able to break this level, then you can continue to hold longer to this level here, which is 4.3. That's what I will do, and you can see that already this one has gone. There's this pin bar here, a very strong wick, so it should tell you that you can see that US30 is going to buy. So I'll take my first profit at this particular level here. This is where I'll take my first profit. I'll take it over there. Even if I remove this, then once it's able to break this, then I can hold it up to that particular level. So from my 1-hour time frame, you can see that US30 is doing that. All right, or you can easily even take your profit at here. That can be a take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here, and then you can continue holding. So guys, this is what we are seeing on US30. But remember to share with us on the comment section what you think, what you will do in this instance. I will always happy to hear from you and to read from you. Thank you guys. Remember to like, remember to show us some love by subscribing to our channel. This is Eagle IFX signing out.